4 young graduate students in Chennai have found a solution to save lives during natural disasters. They've equipped a drone with computer vision and artificial intelligence to help search and rescue teams during calamities, including detecting and tracking stranded people. Chennai has been a first-hand witness to devastation caused by natural calamities. Most famously, the Indian Ocean tsunami, which killed thousands along the coastline. This memory lay heavy on the young innovators, who are students of IIT Madras. They decided to put their education to good use. Inspired by artificial intelligence, they built a camera-equipped drone with deep learning to have many functions. One of the main features is that of real-time image stitching of an area that can generate a map of a disaster in minutes, compared to days for a satellite image to be procured, and a Google image stock might be dated. The algorithms can not only detect human beings, but can also track each person on camera, thus being able to relay the exact number to the authorities. The activity recognition system can also detect the people in urgent need of help based on their body language. An added feature is the consciousness detection system, which can differentiate between a human being who is able to move from one who is incapacitated. In many cases of disaster, a human may be stuck under rubble or be in deep water. The partial body recognition system is custom-built to detect such cases too. All this is combined in an app with a proximity analysis feature that can tell rescuers what kind of medical help is nearby and how far it is. With government bodies and higher authorities showing an active interest in their innovation, it is possible the loss of human lives will be reduced drastically when the next disaster strikes. For these young innovators, it will be fitting culmination to their hard work and their dream to save lives.